Welcome back to CK Adventures.
It has been a long time.
We've had some things come up to interrupt our camping trip, so we hadn't been able to put out a video in a while.
And I had a bad case of the flu that made us miss our last 2 camping adventures.
So we're trying to get things rolling again.
But we're here to tell you today that this is a new type of adventure for us.
We will soon be boondock camping at this location.
And this location is now called
CK Pineywoods.
CK Pineywoods. We purchased an amazing piece of God's beautiful earth. We're so blessed.
Thick forest, long ways from any town.
No electricity, no water, so truly boondocking.
Yeah, and it's you hear nothing but the birds and the breeze.
It's beautiful.
So we're somewhere deep in, nestled in beautiful East Texas. So we've been out here clearing some brush and stuff like that today, taking advantage of the beautiful blue skies.
Making a path for us to bring our trailer back here.
Yeah. So to bring our Teardrop Camper back here so we can get right in the middle and do some boondock camping. And we will be bringing those videos to you soon.
So thanks for sticking around.
Yeah, don't give up on us.
Yeah. Hey, we have a favor to ask too. So statistically, most of you watching our videos are not subscribed to our channel. So it'd be super cool if you did. So consider it for us. It'd be really neat.
Yes.
Thanks so much.
Adios, Shasta.
And future plans for this tree is a big swing for the grandbabies once we get them. Hey, we're cooking our first meal in the CK Pineywoods. So yeah, this is our new little piece of land. Not so little, actually. CK Pineywoods in the Piney Woods of East Texas. There are a couple of miles of these roads cut through it. Easy hiking trails. So we are pretty pumped about this. And if any of our camping buddies want to come boondock with us, just reach out to us and let us know. We'll plan an event out here. It would be fun. And it's super peaceful. It is at least 2.5 miles away from the nearest anything. One of the benefits of this land is it had a hog trap already built on it. We're hoping to catch us some bacon.
Pork chops.
Pork chops. Baby, you're on film. What are you drinking?
The homemade moonshine that me and you cooked.
Apple pie moonshine. It's pretty good, isn't it?
It's pretty good.
If anybody wants a recipe, just comment below. We'll let you know how we made it. It's delish. Pineywoods. Stay tuned for more adventures.